Hey, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and I am super excited to talk to you today about the My Lead System Pro affiliate program. Now, Todd and I found My Lead System Pro originally just as a platform to learn from that would give us the skills that we needed to build a successful online business. But it turns out that as we did that, it just made sense to offer our leads My Lead System Pro as an affiliate if it worked well for them. And it did. It actually has become a huge income source for us. And yes, it's not an income opportunity. It's not, not what you get started there for, but it has huge earning potential, and it might make sense to add to what you can do for your audience, for the leads that you're generating like it did for us. So we have earned in the last, I think, 4 years, well over $400,000 through My Lead System Pro. $414,000 and some change is actually what it's turned out to be. And just last year, now that's grown over time because we started not knowing anything. So we had to learn during the process, and it just keeps getting bigger for us. Last year we brought in just a couple bucks shy of $250,000 just from the affiliate program with My Lead System Pro. And that's on top of all the other ways that we monetize our business, because it's not an income opportunity for us. It's just a side thing that we add because it makes sense for our audience. Now, obviously there's no guarantees that anyone makes any sort of money. It really comes down to working hard and implementing what you do. But if you're interested in making money with affiliate commissions, I highly recommend My Lead System Pro. It's one of the top programs that we recommend across the board for affiliate marketing because it is a very lucrative program, and plus the people, the community are amazing. So if you see some button somewhere on your screen to get started, I highly suggest click that button and get started today.